All right, everybody, we are at Upfit UTV today. Lucky for us, they're only a couple miles from our shop, so we get to check out all the new stuff that they have coming. We're going to share it with you. So they build a really, really cool Xpedition. If you've been following us, you know how much we love Xpeditions. We love building them. So we wanted to check out what they do and show you some different cool options that they offer as well. So this is called their Escape series, and it's got a lot of options. I'm just going to kind of run through some stuff. I'm probably going to miss some stuff. I'm probably going to mispronounce some stuff. So bear with us on that, but we just wanted to show you how cool these builds are. So let's start from the front. So they're building their own proprietary front bumpers, and they also have Upfit lights, and it works with the factory winch. So it's a nice approach angle, very, very durable, great looking front bumper setup there with their super bright lights. As you can see, they're running 35-inch BFG tires, Thumper Fab long travel kit. This particular car has Rhino axles, all the shock therapy stuff. So ride improvement system, dual rate kit, all the valving inside, tie rods, sway bar links, everything that shock therapy offers for the Xpedition is on this car. They have their little lights right here, and they actually have, when you open the door, it shows the Upfit logo, kind of a puddle light. So that's just one of the cool factors. Has the full Upfit roof rack, with a lot of different modular options up there. They have Starlink options, they have antenna options, they have storage options, all kinds of cool stuff in there. Inside, it's absolutely beautiful. So they did custom decking on the whole inside to match the interior and exterior. Factory seats that are recovered beautifully and added bolsters to them. They have a shifter boot. So a lot of complaints that you see with these cars is the dust coming up through the shifter boot. So they have a shifter boot on that to keep it clean along with the shifter. Believe it or not, they have a heated steering wheel, heated seats, suede headliner. They have a Switch Pro system up in the ceiling there along with the radio. So a lot of cool options on the interior. I'm sure I'm missing some stuff in there because they listed off a whole bunch of cool stuff. Of course, all the ram mounts and stuff that Polaris offers, but all the cool stuff along with the PRP steering wheel. Also in the back, heated seats, all the decking as well. The cool DRT accent panels. We got the Evo tubes in the back to replace all the plastic. Obviously the shock therapy in the back as well. KMC wheels on this one. Now this is where it gets really cool. So they have a sliding bed tray with a Dometic cooler, pack out mounts, and extra storage for other boxes and stuff that you might want. Of course, with some strap options and stuff. Cup holders for when you're hanging out and drinking some water bottles out at the trail. This is one option that they have. Oh, let me show you the rear bumper. But the cool thing is you can do, I probably should ask them how to close this. With Upfit, you can custom build your car. So if you want different tires, you want different wheels, you want different lights, they can do all that for you. You go to your local dealer, they tell you what the options are, you build your car, Upfit builds it for you. Look how sleek their rear bumper is. Super clean, lighted license plate, backup lights, just a fabulous build. Really excited to get these out on the market. We think Upfit absolutely killed it with these. You guys are gonna like them. Xpeditions are hard to find, shops are way behind. This is a great option if you're looking to get a turnkey car. Your local dealer can get you taken care of with one of these Upfit builds. Like I said, you can custom build it to what you want. You can pick something up that they have at the dealership. Upfit might have something built, something like this, sitting here ready to go. So get a hold of Upfit if you guys want to check out what options they have.